Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I'm here to share with you my third WiBargain box from the orders that I put in last Monday. This came 10 days after I made the order. It is the Target return clothing box, which you get 10 to 12 items of Target return clothing. Any sizes, anywhere from underwear, socks, bathing suits, shirts, tops, pajamas, kids stuff, women's stuff, plus size, everything. I've gotten 2 of these in the past and they paid off. They paid well over the $35 that I paid. I paid $35 plus had a discount off of it. And wanted to share with you. I opened up the box but didn't look inside yet. So let's see, the first thing here is like an undergarment. Light extra firm, a net fits you wellness line. I've never seen this at Target before, but it's like a Skims thing, an undergarment thing. Oh, for after surgery. Oh, that would have been nice to have not too long ago. Anyway, that's pretty good. So I don't know how much that's worth, but I will surely list it. This feels like a big bra, actually. Let's see. Yeah, it's a nice bra. It is Olga by Warner's. It's a 42 double D, MSRP $36. It's an underwire bra with lace on it. Not my size, neither one of these, but I list on Poshmark. That's what I do with these. I resell on Poshmark if it's worthy, so here's a Cat and Jack. It was originally $7. Oh, it's a dinosaur shirt, so it's a boy's top, size large, 12 to 14. So I will definitely list that. So that's 3 items. Here's the 4th item. It is an extra large, size 16, was worth $14.99. I think this would be a boy's. That's cute. It's like a surfing dinosaur. That's nice. And it's a nice, almost like a wool filling, obviously not wool, but it feels like wool, so that would be good for this upcoming season. Here is another probably boy shirt, size 8 to 10. Oh no. Oh, look at that, that's cool. It's a fall shirt, more like a girl's, with fall bright leaves, apple picking, corn maze, hoodies, pumpkin, and everything. So that's cool. I can definitely sell that. That's 5 items. You're only supposed to get 10 to 12, but this thing feels jam-packed. Another boys, nope. Give thanks. It could be boys. It was worth $8. Again, perfect for the season. This, I don't know, probably boys, right? This is extra small, was worth $8. That's a lot of items. This is definitely a boy shirt. So it seems like it's really boy heavy. Which I don't sell much boy stuff. I really haven't listed that much. But this is a nice big shirt, extra large, long sleeve. I'll probably pair that with the other extra large top and sell it together. Here are Hanes. They feel very big. Hanes underwear. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm confused. It says Hanes, but then it says Dickies. They're like stuck together, taped together. All right, so here is Jockey underwear, size large. I don't know if I would sell just one underwear. I'll probably just give that to my husband then. Here's an extra large Hanes. I'll probably just give that to my son because I don't feel comfortable selling like single underwear. That's kind of weird. If there was like maybe 3 of these Hanes underwear, that would make sense, but there's only 2. So I'll just give these to my son, which sometimes happens, So another pair of the Hanes, they're just like the other ones. And then this last pair is Dickies, and it is 2XL. So I'm not sure who that would fit. But anyway, you win some, you lose some, huh? So here's something. Oh, this is Dickies Women Slim Fit, size 12 regular. Brand new worker pants. I know that a lot of companies require their employees to wear Dickies. Are a size women's 12 regular slim fit. So definitely oh God. Here's another wrapped up pile of underwears. These look like they might all be Hanes. Nope, I lied. So these are like little boys' underwear. Cute little, look at that, how cute. Little camo, sort of. So 2 little boys' Hanes underwears. a single pair of Wonder Nation underwear. And then I think this is Minecraft underwear. And Scooby-Doo, I think was what the SD would mean, right? So I have nephews. I'll just mail them to my niece and have her give them to them because I don't want to sell underwear like that. Well, this is a nice little hoodie jacket. Where's the tag? I don't feel a tag though. Well, it's cute. I don't even see like a size. Like what the heck? It's no, oh here it is. A size, no it's not. I don't know who this is. I don't know who the maker is. I don't know the size or anything. It's a cute little top. Okay, what's this? This is women's relax jean. Wonder Nation, I think it says. I don't know if that's Target, right? Is it Target? I need my scissors. Uh-oh. Well, it looks like it's a pair of women's black jeans. Oh. Yeah, Wonder Nation. No, this isn't women's. It's relaxed size 16 husky, so probably boys jeans. But no tag other than this thing, and this doesn't look very Target-ish. This almost seems Walmart, right? I don't know who Wonder Nation is, but okay, more stuff in here, my God. Okay, so here's a tank top, a racer back tank top with no size. What is happening here? Is this just like junk they have laying around and threw it in here? Because no size, well, extra large, size extra large, but no maker. Like Target doesn't have non-listed stuff. Well, I'll probably keep this for myself since it doesn't have a ability to sell because of a maker not being listed. This looks like a pair of ball leaf biker shorts, size medium. They feel really well made. If my dog barks, I'm gonna lose my mind right now. And then there's a top, another top at least has a tag on it. It's got a shelf bra inside of it. This seems more like an Amazon thing, right? Like, I don't know. Not really happy about that. Again, no size. What in the heck is going on here? Oh, maybe. Size extra large, so I'll probably, well, this one I might sell because of this, but all right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all this underwear would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 items. I definitely will make my $35 back, which I didn't pay a full 35, I paid less than that because I had a discount. Anyway, so yeah, definitely worth the $35. This is probably the best box I've gotten so far. That first box that was the Target Premium Returns was trash. Like if you can negative value, you would. In fact, I put most of it except for the dog vest and the dog leash. I think the rest of it I put in a box to go to Goodwill this weekend. So that sucked. The Amazon Premium Return was much better. However, I was stingy and kept the stuff and I'm not going to resell any of it. My son took what he wanted out of it. But it had a value of about $150 and I paid $125 minus a discount. So the Target one sucked. Target Premium Returns was bad. The Amazon Premium Returns was good for personal use. This Target Return clothing, very good. I mean, I don't know how much to say it's worth at this point, but definitely more than my $35. So I like that. I'm still waiting for a bunch of other boxes to come in. I ordered another return mail thing that was supposed to be shipped the next day, which would have meant Monday, and it did not get shipped the next day, which is really kind of frustrating. It is said it's going to have 15 pieces of mail in it, where my other one said only 12, I think, or 10 or 12, I can't remember. So and it said it would ship the next day, and it did not. So I don't like the shipping aspect of this company. I'm hit or miss with it. It's either right away or it's like weeks later. So anyway, I will let you know each box that it comes in. It's called WiBargain, WiBargain. If you just sign up with them, they'll end up sending you coupons to use. I'm not affiliated. I bought this on my own. It's not their product. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.